Kar or Kar, Greek, tese, is a name in Greek mythology that refers to two characters who may or may not be one and the same. Kar of Megara. According to Pausanias, Kar was the king of Megara and the son of Pheronius and Serto. His tomb was located on the road from Megara to Corinth. The Acropolis at Megara derived its name Caria from him. Kar of the Carians. Herodotus mentions a, maybe, different Kar, brother of Lydas and Mysis. The three brothers were believed to have been the ancestral heroes and eponyms of the Carians, the Lydians and the Mysians respectively. This Kar was credited by Pliny the Elder with inventing the auspicia. Car was also said to have founded the city Alabanda, which he named after Alabandus, his son by Callirrhoe, the daughter of the river god Meander. In turn, Alabandus's name is said to have been chosen in commemoration of his Kar's victory in a horse fight. According to the scholar Stephanus of Byzantium, Alabandos was the Carian word for winner in a horse fight. Another son of Kar, Idriu, had the city Idrias named after himself. The tomb of Kar was in the Carian city Sauangela, giving that city its name. According to Stephanus, Sauangela meant tomb of the king in Carian. References. Sources. This article incorporates text from a publication now in the public domain. Smith, William, ed. 1870. Article name needed. Dictionary of Greek and Roman Antiquities. London, John Murray.